All right, guys. So this is my recorder. Yeah. So this is my recorder. So I'll just go down to Mo login. Yes, that's Mo login. You have to download it on your system and install. Yes, this is it. I've set up my profile. So if you need to set up proxy, this is where you go to click a new profile. So you set up your new proxy. If you're setting up a profile, the same thing. You set up your profile. There's already a video on how to set up Mo login. Follow that to learn how to set up. After that, you launch one of the profile and then you sign in one of your email address. You can see I've signed in one of my email addresses. Yes, I've signed in one of my email addresses already. So the next thing to do is, yes, you make sure you create a tab and sign in one of your email so you can just activate your attapoll. So now I'm typing in the URL for attapoll. So that's it, in.attapoll.app. So you wait for it to load. So this page takes a bit of time. It takes a bit of time to load. So this is actually a voiceover because I'm using a system. So I've done this and I just recorded my screen. So I'm doing a voiceover over this. So you just have to be a little bit patient here and then to allow this page to load. This landing page is very heavy. Yes, it's very, very heavy. So your network matters, okay? Your network matters, and even your IP quality. Not really quality of IP, in terms of network strength of the IP also matters. Yes. So after that, okay, what I did was it was a bit slow, so I had to refresh. So you're connected to a service provider. All right. So you click accept. I usually click accept here, so I make sure that I don't do any other thing on the page. Okay, I make sure I don't do anything on the page. So you agree consent and then you create an account. So you just go down, input your email address. You just go input your email address. So this is my email address. This email address is just for it's just for YouTube videos, right? It's not important. I don't use it for anything. It's just for YouTube videos. Okay, so I'll go to my email. I've created a tab already and I've signed in. So I just refresh from here. I refresh from here and then I just activate from here. So you make sure you create a tab. Make sure you create a tab and sign in your email address, and then you click the sign in. Click the sign in button, and then you allow it to activate. Then you wait for it to load. 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 Yeah, so it's asking me for number, so I'll just go get my number. So I'll just go get my number. Yeah, and I also sell number. So in case you need number for Atapo, just send me DMs. Join the community link. You see a WhatsApp link for the community, and then join. By the way, I am using Geonix proxy. That is what I am using. I am using Geonix proxy for this. It works very, very well. There are other proxies that work. You can try them out too, but so far so good. What I use is Geonix. I use Geonix for Attapoll, and I have a lot of persons in my community who have been using Geonix for Attapoll, and it has been going very, very well for them. So in the comment section, I'm going to drop the link for Geonix. Just check the comment section, it will be there. Follow the link, and then you can sign up. If you don't have LTC to fund, send me a message and I'll help you fund via LTC. There was also a video already on my channel on how to what's it called, fund Geonix, how to fund Geonix. But if you need help, reach out to me and I would also help you. Okay, I would also help you. So I'll just wait for it to load and wait for my code. I'm waiting for my code to drop. I'm waiting for my code to drop. Waiting for my code to drop. Yeah, just waiting for it. Yeah, it has dropped. So I'm typing my code now. I'm typing my code. Yeah, so they said get this survey, blah 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 blah. Surveys can be about various topics. To match your best surveys, you have to ask some blah 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 blah. So click next. So you can use any male or female. So let me just say I decide to use female here. Let's say I decide to use female next. Then you input your date of birth. Input your date of birth. So I choose to use this. Okay. You can use whatever you want to use, but stick to survey demograph. So here, when I come here, I usually use detect. That's what I usually use. I usually use detect. Then you come here, you allow. Make sure you allow. Okay, don't block it. These are very important key things. Make sure you allow. Okay, make sure you allow. Make sure you allow. Make sure you allow. Yeah. So using more login have been very successful. So when you experience something like this, it's usually network. So sometimes what I do is try to refresh my whatever network I'm using, be it MTN or anything. I try to refresh it, and also try to refresh this same attapoll page. I also try to refresh it. So, and then I just do it a couple of times, and then it will work. So here now I have tried to refresh like 2 times, but it didn't work. So the next thing I'll just do is to check my MTN network. I just tapped it, and that's for my phone because I'm using a hotspot on my phone to hotspot the system. So I just tapped the network, turned it off, and I on it back, so I would have a better network strength rather. So I just have a better network strength. So I'm just a bit fast with this because I've already made a video how to aim from attapoll. So this is just a more login method. So this is just more login method. Okay, can you see that's the postcode? That's the postcode. What's it called? Aura that's the postcode. More login is giving me. It's giving me that postcode. So and most times, in most cases, sometimes it doesn't even tally with attapoll. So I just go with whatever attapoll is giving. Okay, that's what I usually go with. So I just refreshed that page and it took me back. So I'm starting again. Okay, that's what I did so that I'll be able to bypass that error it's showing me. So some of you, when you see that error, you start complaining, blah blah blah. This is what it's showing. That's just how to do it. Refresh the page, start again, tap your network, and you'll be fine. So you see, it's almost giving me the same thing. Is it WC2N? So this is the postcode I'll be using. This is the postcode I'll be using for my survey. Yeah, this is what I will be using for my survey. So what you need to do is copy this down. This WC2N, that's the one you would get on your own. Go to ChatGPT, ask ChatGPT to give you the location, the county, and what part of UK or London is this postcode. So that is what you're going to be using for this account. Okay, that is going to be your postcode for this account. Don't, if you're using London before, don't go and start using London. This is what you would use. Stick to it. The next thing to do, go to profile, ensure this is enabled. When this is enabled, you are good to go. Answer your survey. When you get to withdrawal, come back here, check here again, ensure it is enabled before you place your withdrawal. They will ask